On the ball.
Alert and efficient.
Out of the blue.
Unexpectedly.
Paint the town red.
Go out and celebrate.
Pull strings.
Use connections to get favors.
Put all your eggs in one basket.
Risk everything on a single venture.
Run around in circles.
Waste time and energy without achieving anything.
See the light at the end of the tunnel.
See hope in a difficult situation.
Sit on the fence.
Avoid taking sides in a dispute.
Take the bull by the horns.
Deal with a problem directly.
The elephant in the room.
An obvious problem that everyone is ignoring.
Wear your heart on your sleeve.
Express your emotions openly.
Bite the bullet.
To face a difficult situation bravely.
Break a leg.
Good luck. Often used in theater.
Costs an arm and a leg.
Very expensive.
Cut corners.
Do something in the easiest or cheapest way.
Get your act together.
Organize yourself.
Hit the nail on the head.
Say or do exactly the right thing.
It's not rocket science.
It's not complicated.
Kill 2 birds with 1 stone.
Solve 2 problems with 1 action.
Let the cat out of the bag.
Reveal a secret accidentally.
Pull someone's leg.
Joke with someone.
Speak of the devil.
Said when someone appears just after being mentioned.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for daily lessons and contents, and while you do, hit that like button. It means a lot to me.
Raining cats and dogs.
Raining very heavily.
The ball is in your court.
It's your turn to take action.
When pigs fly.
Something that will never happen.
You can't judge a book by its cover.
Don't judge by appearances.
Beat around the bush.
Avoid talking about something directly.
Catch someone red-handed.
Catch someone in the act of doing something wrong.
Burn the midnight oil.
Work late into the night.
Don't put all your eggs in one basket.
Don't risk everything on a single venture.
Every cloud has a silver lining.
There's always something positive in a bad situation.
Get a taste of your own medicine.
Be treated the same way you've treated others.
Give someone the cold shoulder.
Ignore someone intentionally.
Go back to the drawing board.
Start over.
Jump on the bandwagon.
Join a popular trend or activity.
Hit the sack.
Go to bed.
Pull yourself together.
Calm down and regain composure.
It's not my cup of tea.
It's not something I like.
Make a long story short.
Get to the point.
Time flies.
Time passes quickly.
On cloud 9.
Extremely happy.
Alright, that's it for today's lesson. Thanks for watching. I will upload lessons every day, so remember to subscribe. Also like this video. I'm so glad to be here helping you. Until next time, stay safe.